Good evening, students. Today I will discuss paper number 242, reasoning. Study the following questions and then answer the questions referring to the word sequence given below. So here there are some words. Based on that words you have to answer the question. See here, hot, run, eat, dim, sky. These are the words. When the first and second letter of each word are interchanged. So we have to interchange only first and second. First, second. Then OST, then earn, then AET, then we will get IDM, then followed by KSY. Which is the meaningful word? Earn. Earn means one round. So only earn. Run is the correct answer. If each consonant is changed to previous and each vowel is changed to next. Each consonant is changed to previous, each vowel is changed to next. That means hot becomes GPS, run becomes QVM, then eat becomes FBS, then dim becomes DCJL, sky it becomes RJX. Then how many words contain vowel? So in how many words we are having vowel? In no word we are having any vowel. So none is the correct answer. If the words are arranged in according to alphabetical series from left to right. So from left to right you have to arrange in the alphabetical series. That means dim, followed by eat, followed by hot, then run, then sky. Which is second from the right? Second from the right is run. Then if each letter in the word is arranged in the alphabetical series. So now we have to arrange each letter in the alphabetical series. That means this hot becomes HOT only, alphabetical series HOT only. Then run becomes NRU. Then eat becomes AET. Then this becomes DIM. This becomes KSY. Then which of the following is second letter of the word which is second from the left? Second from the left is NRU. In this second letter is R. R is the correct answer. Then see the next question. If each letter is arranged in alphabetical series, in the word is arranged in alphabetical series. That means the same thing you can take. This is the same thing you can take. How many words remain unchanged? See, hot is remaining unchanged. Dim is remaining unchanged. There are two words which remain unchanged. Then see the next one. There are 7 friends who were born on different months. The months are March, April, May, June, August, October and December. C was born after June. C was not born in December. There are 2 persons between C and B. G was born immediately before E. A was born in the month having one of the month after B. A was born in the month which is having 30 days. D was born immediately before A. Now all of you open one 2-column table. First one is the month, next one is the person. See, month, person. This is the month, this is the person. Below the months you write down the months that are given here. So what are the months? March, April, May, June, August, October, December. These are the months. March, April, May, June, August, October followed by December. These are the months. Now see this one. C was born after June. C was born after June means you take immediately after June August. There are 2 persons between C and B. So B April. P is April. Then see the next one. See, March 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, August 31, October 31, December 31. G was born immediately before E. A was born in the month after B and A was born in the month having 30 days. So A June. Then D was born immediately before, so D is coming in May. Now G was born immediately before E. Now we are left out with F. So this is the correct arrangement. Now come to the questions. See the arrangement. So March, then April, then May, June, August, October, December. The persons are F, B, D, A, C, G followed by E. Now C was born in which month? August. Then F is born in which month? March. Then see the next question. Who is born just after E? No one. Who is born just after A? C. Which of the following is true regarding the given information? B was born in August, not correct. Two persons are there between A and E, that is definitely correct. Now 11 to 15. Study the following information, then answer the question. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are sitting around a circle table facing the center. Now there are totally 8 persons and they are sitting in a circle, they are facing the center. S is sitting third to the right of you. Z and X are the neighbors of you. As many persons are there between S and Z as between S and X. V is sitting third to the left of Z. There are 3 persons between V and W. Y is not the immediate neighbor of W. First one, S is sitting third to the right of U. So write down U. U write third, yes. Here also U. U write third, yes. Then, as many persons sit between S and Z as between Z and S and X. So between S and Z 1 person, between S and X also 1 person. Here between S and Z 1 person, between S and X other person. V is sitting third to the left of Z. Z left to third V. Here also Z left to third. First, second, third. Here we will get V. Then there are 3 persons between V and W. Between V and W there are 3 persons. V opposite W. Here also V opposite W. Y is not the neighbor of W. So here we will get Y followed by T. Now here we will get Y followed by T. Now here what is given? Here what is given? Z and X. Z and X are not the neighbors of U. Z and X they are not the neighbors of U. But here X is the neighbor of U. So this one is wrong. This one is correct. Now come to the questions. Now come to the questions. This is the circle we got. This is the circle we got. U, Y, here T, W, Z, S, X, V. Now, which is true regarding the given information? There are 3 persons between T and X. That is true. That is first one itself is true. Who is sitting to the immediate left of S? That is X. As per the given information, S is related to X. S immediate left X. W immediate left Z. Then U immediate left is Y. Y is the correct answer. Who is sitting fourth to the right left of X? Either fourth to the left, or fourth to the right is T. T is the correct answer. Option 4. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? See here. X, T, W. X opposite T. X opposite T. T left to W. U, Z. U opposite Z. Z left to S. That is also correct. Y, S. Y opposite S. S left to X. That is also correct. T, X, V. T opposite X. X left to V. S, Y. S opposite Y. Y left should be T, not W. So this is wrong. Fifth one is wrong. Next. In a certain code language, AX, MU, QR, OU means work now to better. SN, BP, MU, AX means method of now work. ET, OE, BP, KY means achieve better of success. KY, DZ, ZV, MU means success is use now. Then what is the code? Now you have to find the code for each and every word. See here. So here this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. Now AX, MU here. Work means work now to better. Here this one method of now work. Here we are having work. Here we are having work. Then here we are having now, here we are having now, then here also we are having now. In all the sentences, see, in all the sentences we are having now. In all the sentences we are having mu here, here we are having mu, here we are having mu. So now code is mu, now code is mu, now code will be mu. Work to better. Now here we are having work, here also we are having work, here we are having ax, here also we are having ax. So work code will be ax, work code will be ax, work means ax. Now QROE means to better, to better. Now if you see 2, here we are having 2, here we are having 2, here we are having better. So if you see here better is there, here better is there. In both we are having OE. So here we are having OE. In better, this also we are having OE. So better means OE. Better code will be OE. Then 2 code will be the remaining one. What is the code for 2? QR. 2 code is QR. With this we completed the first sentence. This sentence is over. Now come to the second. Method of now work. See, method of now work. Now means mu, work means AK. So AK is over, mu is over. So AX is over mu. Now SNBP is there. SNBP, method of is there. Now here off, here off. We are having off and off. So we are having which one? BP. So off means BP. Off code will be BP. Off is BP. If off is BP, method will be SN. Method is SN. Method will be SN. With this we completed the second one also. Now third and fourth. Achieve better of success. Achieve better of success. Better is over, off is over. Now achieve success. In last also we are having success. The code for success is KY. Success code will be KY. Here we are having KY, here we are having KY. Now the remaining. That is achieve means BP. Achieve means ET. Achieve means ET. Achieve code will be ET. Achieve ET. Then last sentence. In last sentence, in and use are left. In and use. We are left out with DJ ZV. So the code for in and use will be either DJ or ZV. These are the codes. Now come to the questions. Now come to the questions. Now I will write the code once again. Now work better to of method success achieve in or use. The codes, this is mu, this is AX, this is OE, this is QR, this is BP, this is SN, KY, ET, either DJ or ZV. Now what is the code for now? Now code is mu. What is the code for method? SN. What is the code for achieve limited? Achieve means ET. Along with ET there should be new word. Along with ET there should be new word. ETLO is the correct answer. Then what is the code for use? Either DJ or ZV. What is the code for better? OE is the correct answer. Next 21 to 23. There are 6 friends having the SB account in the bank. M has his amount in his SB account more than only 3 persons. L has more than N and less than J in SB. K is having more than J in SB. K has not the highest amount. The one who is the second lowest is having 50,000. Fifth lowest is having 1,50,000. Now write down the numbers from 1 to 6. There are totally 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. M has SB account more than only 3 persons. So M will come here in the second place. Then L has more amount than N but less than J. K has more amount than J. K is not the highest, so K will not come here. So K will come here. Now if K will come here, followed by J, followed by L, followed by N, we are left out with O. The one who has the second lowest is having 50,000. So L will be having 50. Fifth lowest means K. K will be having 1,50,000. This is the puzzle. Now come to the questions. See, we got the information like this. So there are totally 6 persons, that is O, K, M, J, L, N. This is having 1,50,000. This will be having 50,000. Now we have to see the questions. What is the possible amount of O? It will be more than 1,50,000. 1,55,000. Who is having the least amount? N third highest, third least, third lowest amount is J. Who is having highest? Highest is O. So O is the correct answer. Next question. These are syllogisms. We have to identify which one definitely follows. See, the first one. All apple is carrot. All apple is carrot. All carrot is sweet. Now, all apple is sweet is a possibility. All apple is sweet definitely follows. So you should not take it as a possibility. Then some sweet is carrot definitely follows. So only 2 follows. Next, 25. The same question is repeated. See the next. See, actually the question is like this. Some door is socks. All socks is ant. These are the statements. Conclusions. Some ant or some door or ant. Some door or ant. The second one, no socks is a door. Now here which one follows? First one, some door is socks. This is some door is socks. All socks is ant. Now some door is ant definitely follows. No does not follow. So only one follows. Next question, 26. This is related to direction. Neetu starts walking to the south direction from A and walks 6 meters to reach B. Then she turns left, walks 4 meters to reach C. Then from there she turns right and walks 2 meters to reach D. Vinith also walks starting from U, which is at midpoint by A and B. He walks 7 meters in the east direction from U to reach V. C lies in a straight line which is made by Z and D. W is in south with respect to V and in line with D. Z is in the west direction of V. Now first, Neetu starts walking in the south direction from A. So this is A. She walks 6 kilometers. Now this is 6 kilometers to reach B. Then she turns left. That means she turns right and walks 4 meters to reach C. And from there she turns right. That means again come to the south and walks 2 meters to reach D. This is about Neetu. This is all about Neetu. Now Vinith. Vinith starts walking from U. U is the midpoint of A and B. So write down U here. U is the midpoint of A and B means from A to U3, U to B3. Now from here, Vinith, he walks 7 meters in the east direction. Now he is walking how many meters? 7 meters. This will be 7 meters in the east direction to reach V. This is V. C lies in the straight line which is made by Z and C lies in a straight line which is made by Z and D. So C is in between Z and D. Z and D. Z is in which with west with respect to V. So here you write down Z. Here you write down Z. Z is west with respect to V. This is Z. This is V, west. Then W is south of V and is in line with D. W is in south of V and is in line with D. So this is W. This will be W. This will be W. Now come to the questions. W is in south of V and lies with D. Now come to the questions. Now based on this we should answer the question. Now this will be how many meters? 3 meters. Now this will be how many meters? 4. Z to V, this will be 3 meters. V to W, this will be 5 meters. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See the first question. So before going to the question, again I will draw the directions. First of all, A. From A, south B, then 4 meters C, then D 2 meters. Then here we will get U. From U 7 meters, it is V. From V south, it will be W. This is W. This is W. This will be 5 meters. Here we will get Z. That means between U to Z 4, between Z to V 3, total 7. So this is the total puzzle. Now come to the question. What is the direction of E with respect to W? What is the direction of A with respect to W? It is north and to the west. So northwest. Now which of the following are in line? U, Z, V are in the straight line. Then what is the distance of V and W? Between V and W how many meters? 5 meters. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. This is greater than, lesser than. R less than or equal to H, H greater than K, L is equal to T, T less than R, A greater than L. Now H greater than L, whether it follows or not. See here. See whether it follows or not. H greater than or equal to R. H greater than or equal to R. R less than or equal to H means H greater than or equal to R. R greater than T. T is equal to L. Therefore, H greater than L definitely follows. K greater than T. See here again. R less than or equal to H. H greater than K. There is no common symbol. Therefore, K greater than T does not follow. Only one follows. Next question. G less than B, B less than or equal to J, N greater than D, D greater than or equal to G, P greater than or equal to N. Now G less than P. First, P greater than or equal to N. P greater than or equal to N. N greater than D. D greater than or equal to G. Therefore, P greater than G or G less than P definitely follows. The second one, G less than J, that also definitely follows. Next, 31. Q less than or equal to E, N is equal to R. Q less than or equal to E, E less than I greater than N, N is equal to R. Now, R greater than or equal to S. E greater than or equal to S, no common symbol. S less than or equal to N. N greater than or equal to S or S less than or equal to N definitely follows. Next, 32nd one. M greater than W, W, M less than W, W greater than O, R is equal to S, S greater than or equal to Y, Y greater than or equal to M. Therefore, Y less than M does not follow. Next, O greater than S, M less than W, W greater than O, W greater than O, that is given. Therefore, from M to O only there is no common symbol. From M to O there is no common symbol. From S to M, S less than or equal to Y, Y less than or equal to M. Therefore, from S to O also there is no common symbol. Second one does not follow. Neither one, not two. See the next one. This is the letter number symbol series. How many 6 are there which is immediately preceded by 5? 6 before 5 should be there. That means 56. In how many cases we are having 56? This is the first case where we are having 56. Then this is the second case. There are two cases. How many letters are there which is preceded by number followed by symbol? So letter before number, letter after symbol. So in how many cases? See, only one case. L is a letter preceded by 5 followed by hash. Only one. How many 3's are there in the above arrangement? How many 3's are there in the above arrangement? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 5. Then see the next one, quant. A can do the work in 36 days. B is 20% more efficient than A. If A started the work and worked for 8 days and left, then in how many days B will do the remaining work? Now, we are having time and efficiency for A and B. A will do the work in 36 days. B is 20% more efficient than A. So B efficiency, A efficiency 5, B efficiency 6. A times 6, B 5. B times 5. A can do the work in 36 days. Therefore, 6 parts equal to 36. Therefore, 5 parts equal to 30. 36 into 5, 180, or 30 into 6, 180. Total work is 180. 36 into 5, 180, or 30 into 6, 180. Now, A worked for 8 days. If A is working for 8 days, 8 into 5, 40, work is over. Now, remaining work is how much? 140. Now, what is, in how many days B will do the remaining work? What is B efficiency? 6. That is nothing but 70 by 3. 1 is the correct answer. Next, A and B invested 1,16,000 and 144,000 respectively. B invests for 6 months. At the end of the year, B share is 9,000. Find the overall profit. Now, A, B, 116, 144. 116, 144. We can do with 4. Then it will be 4 2s 8, 4 9s. This will be 4 3s 12, 4 6. 116 by 4, 144 by 4. 116 by 4 is 29. This is 36. We invest for 6 months and A invest for 1 year. 6 ones, 6 twos, 2 ones, 2 18s. We are getting 29 is to 18. B share is 9,000. So 18 parts equal to 9,000. Overall 29 plus 18, 47 parts equal to how much? So 47 by 18 into 9,000. If you do this 500 times, now this will be 00, 35, 23. It is 23,500. 2 is the correct answer. Next, the length and speed of A is 170 and 20. Length of B is 180. Length of A 170, length of B 180. Both trains are crossing each other. So 170 plus 180, 350. They are crossing each other in how many seconds? 10 seconds. Then that will be equal to 20 plus x, because they are moving in the opposite. This is A speed, this will be B speed. That is 35 is equal to 20 plus x. X is equal to 15. This is B speed, 15 meter per second. Next question. A present age is 2/5 of the mother's present age. That means A age 2x, then mother age will be 5x. Mother age will be 5x. After 8 years, so 2x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 8 by 2. His age will be half the age of mother. So therefore 4x plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 8. X value 8. What is the present mother age? 5x. That means 5 into 8. What is 5 into 8? 40. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. The difference of the 4 consecutive odd numbers and sum of the 4 consecutive even numbers. Odd numbers, even numbers. This is odd, this is even. So you can take x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Even numbers, y, y plus 2, y plus 4, y plus 6. The difference means all the numbers will go. So this is 12, this is 12. So this will be equal to 4x plus 12. This will be equal to 4y plus 12. The difference of 4 consecutive even numbers and 4 consecutive odd numbers. That means 4x plus 12 minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 160. Therefore, 4 of x minus y 160. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 40. Difference of the lowest odd number, lowest even number. Lowest odd number, lowest even number, x minus y. The difference is 43. Next. X into 16, that means 16x plus 420 is equal to 900. Therefore, 16x is equal to 480. X value 30. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. 3 by 8 of 39. 3 by 8 of 39. 3 by 8 of 39. See here. 3 by 8 into 39 by x into 12 by 13 is equal to 9 by 16. Now do the cancellation. 13 ones, 13 threes. 3 into 3, 9. 9, 9 cancel. 8 ones, 8 twos. Now we are left out with 12 and 2. That is 24. 1 is the correct answer. Next. x into 18, that means 18x minus 13 is equal to 26. 18x is equal to 39, x is equal to 39 by 18, 3 6 3 13s. 13 by 6 is nothing but 2, 1 by 6. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. 4 by 9 of 3 by 10 of 645. 4 by 9 of 3 by 10 of 645 is equal to x square minus 83. Now do the cancellation. 3 ones, 3 threes, then 5 twos, 5 twelves, 5 nines, 3 ones, 3 fours, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 twos. It is 86 plus 83. 169 is equal to x square. X is equal to root of 169, that is 13. 3 is the correct answer. Next question 45. 5 cube means 125 into 243 means 3 power 5 by 3 power 4 is equal to 64 plus x. So 125 into 3, that is 375 is equal to 64 plus x. X value 311. The difference of 375 and 64, 311. 4 is the correct answer. Next question 46. 16.8 plus 9.6 minus 21.2. First 16.8 plus 9.6, that is how much? 26.4 minus 21.2 plus 3, that is 23.2. If you do this, we will get 3.2. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. X is equal to root of first 64 root 8. 776 plus 8, 784. What is 784? Root 28. 413 plus 28, 441. So root 41 is 21. 21 is the correct answer. Next question. 244 minus 230. That is how much we are going to get? 14. 841 minus 834, that is 7. 14 by 7, 2. 1 is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. 5 1 by 3 means 16 by 3 into 9 by 2 into 5 by 6 is equal to how much? Now do the calculation, all of you. See, do the calculation. If you do the calculation, how much we are going to get? See, 2 ones, 2 8s, 3 ones, 3 threes, then 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 3 cancel, 5 4. What is the product of 5 and 4? 20. 20 is the correct answer. Option 5. Next question, 50th question. Multiply 8.5 with 25. First, 25 into 5 is 125. 25 into 5, 125. 12 carry over. 25 into 8, 200. This is 21.25 minus 15.5 divided by 5. 15.5 divided by 5 is 3.1. So if you do this, 18.15 will come. 18.15. 1 is the correct answer. Next, based on the table, we should answer the question. What is the difference of the shoes sold by in 2011 by Y and L together? Y and L together in 2011. Y 2011 is 48. This is 44. Total 92. Then Y and L in 2012. 2012 it is 51. It is 102. 153. The difference. What is the difference of 153 and 92? That is 61. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. What is the ratio of the shoes sold by X and Y together in 2010? X 2010 84, Y 2010 88. 88 plus 84 172. Then same 2013 125 plus 19 215. We can do with 43. 43 fours, 43 5s. 4 is to 5. Next. What is the average of L 2010, 12, 13? L 2010, that is 72. 12, that is 102. Then 13, that is 66. So we are going to get 240. We want average, that will be equal to 80. Next, Z and K in 2011. So 69 plus 71. What is 69 plus 71? 140. X in 2012, that is how much? 49. So 140 by 49 into 100. 7 sevens, 7 20s. 7 sevens, 7 20s. Now how many times? 2000 with 7. 7 2s 14. 7 8s 56. 7 5s 35. The answer is 285 5 by 7. 285 5 by 7. What is the difference of the shoes sold by K and L in 2014 and same in 2013? K 2014 128, L 2014 62, total 190. Same 2013 we have 64 plus 66, that is how much? 130. Difference, what is the difference? 60, but we want average of the difference, so 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. What should come in the place of the question mark? 1.5, not 1, 1.5, 6, 15, 33, question mark 141. You see from here, into 2 plus 3, again into 2 plus 3, again into 2 plus 3, 69 will come. Then see the next question. 2.5, 15, 75, 300, 900, question mark. You see from here, into 5, into 4, into 3, then into 2. Into 2 is 1800. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. 88, 76, 66, 58, 52 and question mark. See how the number series is following. See how the number series is following. Now best see here. 88, 76, the difference is 12. Then this is 10, this is 8, this is 6, then 4. It will be 48. 3 is the correct answer. Next question, 59 question. 45, 45, 48, 56, question mark, 95. The gap 0, 3, 8, how much? So 3 gap, 5 gap, then 7, 15. 56 plus 15, 71. 71 is the correct answer. Next question, 60. 1.5, 3.5, 10, 34, 711. See here, 1.5 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3. 3.5 into 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Then into 3 plus 4. Then into 4 plus 5. 34 into 4, 136. 136 plus 5, 141. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. What should come in the place of the question mark? 25% of 24 means 1/4 of 24, that is 6 into 21 minus 21 minus s whole cube is equal to 384. Now 6 4s. 21 minus x is equal to 4. Therefore x value 17. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question, 62. X plus 64 is equal to 40 plus 63, that is 103 minus 64. How much? 39. 39 means 4 is the correct answer. Next question, 63. 9.5 square minus 2.5 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b of a minus b. 9.5 plus 2.5, 12. 9.5 minus 2.5, 7 by 12. That is equal to 7 because 12 cancel. Then see the next question, 64. 27 square, that can be written as 3 cube whole square into 3 cube is equal to 3 power x into 3 power 7 divided by 3 cube. Now do the simplification. This is 3 power 6 into 3 power 3, that is 3 power 9. This is 3 power x into 3 power 4. Therefore x is equal to 5. 5 is the correct answer. Then 65 question. 45% of 7% of 250 into 40 is equal to x minus 21. 00 cancel, 100 cancel. Again 25 into 4, 100 cancel. 45 into 7, 315. 315 plus 21 is 336. 4 is the correct answer. Next question, 66. There are two different amounts invested in two schemes. In scheme A, X amount is invested at 12%. Scheme B, X plus Y amount is invested. If total interest is 3720, difference is 1080, find X. Now, here there are two cases. First, scheme A, X amount to 12% to 2 years. That means 24X by 100 plus scheme B, X plus Y amount to 15% for 2 years. That means X plus Y into 30 by 100. The total amount is equal to 3720. Now, if you do the simplification, total 24x, this is 24x, this is 30x, that is 54x plus 30y is equal to 372000. We can do simplification with 6. 9x plus 5y is equal to 62,000. This is equation 1. Now, what is given? Again, if difference in the interest means the same thing we should do minus. That means 30 of x plus y by 100 minus 24x by 100 is equal to 1080. 30x minus 24x, that is 6x minus 6x plus 30y is equal to 108000, because 30x minus 24x 6x, 30y is equal to this one. If you do the simplification with the 6, we will get, see, we will get x plus 5y is equal to 6 ones 6 8, we will get 18,000. This is equation 2. Solve these two equations. See, 9x plus 5y 62,000, x plus 5y 18,000. Now, if you do minus, 8x is equal to 44,000, x value 5,500. If x value is 5,500, find x value, that is only asked, it is 5,500. See the next question. A mixture is containing milk and water in the ratio of 4:5. Then 18 liters of the mixture is taken and replaced with some quantity of water. So the ratio of milk and water in the becomes 20:43. Find the final quantity. This is wrong question. Find the final quantity of the mixture. See here, this 4:5. If you do the multiplication with 5, it will be 20:25. Now, 18 liters of the mixture is taken out and replaced with some quantity of water. Then the ratio of the milk and water will become 20:43. It becomes 20:43. That means 20 is remaining 20 only, but because we are replacing with water, we are adding 18 liters water. So 18 parts is equal to 18 liters. 25 is becoming 43, 18 parts equal 18. Find the final quantity. 63 parts equal to 63 liters. 63 parts equal to 63 liters. This 4:5, if you multiply with 5, it becomes 20:25. Now 18 liters of the mixture is taken out and replaced with the same quantity of water, with some quantity of water. So the ratio of the milk and water becomes 20:43. So that means milk is remaining unchanged, only water is increasing 18 liters for 18 parts. Therefore 63 parts equal to 63 liters. 5 is the correct answer. Next. Two articles cost price same. So this is the cost price profit. There are two articles. The cost price of two articles is same. The first article is sold at 25% profit. This is 4x, this is also 4x. 25% profit means 5x. The second article is sold at 60 rupees less than the first article. So this means 5x minus 60. Now total profit is 18.75. Total cost price 8x. Total selling price 10x minus 60. The difference is the profit, that is 2x minus 60. Profit is always calculated in the cost price into 100 is equal to 18.75. Now multiply 18.75 into 8. 18 into 8, 144. 3 by 4 into 8 is how much? So 18 into 8, 144. 3 by 4 into 8, that is 6. Total 150x. 150x is equal to 200x minus 6000. Therefore 50x is equal to 6000. X value 120. Find the selling price of second article, that is 5x minus 60. 5 into 120 is 600. 600 minus 60 is 540. 540 is the correct answer. Next question. The length of the rectangle is 80% of the diagonal of the square whose area is 1600 centimeter square. So S square is 1600. Therefore S is equal to 40. Therefore diagonal is equal to S root 2, that is 40 root 2. The length of a rectangle is 80%, that is 4 by 5 of 40 root 2. That will give 32 root 2. The breadth is 50% of the length, that is 16 root 2. Now area. Area length into breadth. 32 into 16 into 2. That is 32 square. 32 square is 1024. 2 is the correct answer. Next. Satish invested 80% of the salary on books, rent and shopping 2:5:3. Remaining 6000. That means 20% equal to 6000. Therefore 80% will be equal to 24,000. In this 24,000, books, rent, then shopping. It is 2:5:3. So therefore 24,000 by 10, that is 2400 each part. Now the difference of books and rent. Books and rent 3 parts. So 2400 into 3, that is 7200. That is the correct answer. 7200 means option 4 is the correct answer. So with this we completed paper number 240.